Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, a tuple is a collection of ordered and immutable elements. Tuples are similar to lists, but the key difference is that tuples cannot be modified once they are created. Tuples are often used to group related data together. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create tuples in Python with examples. The most common way to create a tuple is by enclosing elements in parentheses. Here's an example. You can also use the tuple constructor to create a tuple by passing an iterable, example a list, as an argument. Elements in a tuple can be accessed using indexing, similar to lists. The index starts from 0 for the first element. Negative indexing is also supported, with -1 representing the last element. Tuples can contain elements of different data types, making them versatile containers for various types of information. Tuple unpacking allows you to assign the elements of a tuple to multiple variables in a single line. Tuples are a fundamental data structure in Python, providing an ordered and immutable way to store and organize data. Whether used to represent coordinates, database records, or any other related set of values, tuples play a crucial role in Python programming. This tutorial covered the basics of creating tuples, accessing elements, handling different data types, and utilizing tuple unpacking. Experiment with tuples in your Python code to get a better grasp of their utility in various scenarios. ChatGPT